Let's look at another function, Nth Value. This function returns the value of some column taken from the end row in the window frame, or null if there is no such row. The keyword over is followed by window definition. The logic of this function is similar to that of the first and last value functions. But in the Nth Value function, we can set the number of lines from which we want to get the value of the selected column. Let's look at an example. This report provides quarterly sales information for the year 2000 for 3 customers. The beginning of the frame is set as unbounded proceedings, so the first row of the frame will be the same as the first row of the partition. The end of the frame is unbounded following. Consequently, the last line of the frame will be the same as the last line of the partition. Column 1 is formed by the function first value and returns the same value for all rows in the partition, the number of sales for the first quarter. Columns Q2 and Q3 are formed with the function Nth Value and return respectively the sales for the second and the third quarter. These 2 columns have the same window definition but a different offset. The last column, Q4, is formed using the last value function, which, for all rows in the partition, returns data for the 4th last quarter. The resulting report contains many repeated values. Let's bring it in a more readable form, and this can be done as follows. Let's wrap the request with another selection, where we apply the max function to the columns with sales by quarters. As a result, we get a data set where each line contains quarterly sales for the selected customers. This is the end of the introduction to the analytical functions.